The Indigenous People of Biafra, Ipob, has demonstrated remarkable resilience since its emergence as a movement deeply rooted in Igbo identity, history, and the quest for self-determination. From its early days, Ipob positioned itself as more than a mere organization. It became a conviction that quickly drew the attention of the Nigerian state, sparking a prolonged contest between centralized authority and a decentralized grassroots movement. Over the years, the Nigerian government has deployed various strategies to weaken the group, including arrests, military operations, media campaigns, and attempts to disrupt its internal coordination. Despite these pressures, Ipob has continued to operate and maintain its presence in Nigeria's political discourse. A major factor in its endurance is its unique structure. The Directorate of State, DOS, described as a dispersed and less rigidly hierarchical body, has helped the movement adapt and resist decisive disruption. Unlike traditional organizations reliant on a single point of failure, this model allows for greater flexibility and continuity even under intense scrutiny. Ipob has also faced repeated challenges to its communication and unity. Claims of successfully jamming or silencing Radio Biafra broadcasts have surfaced periodically. Yet the station has often resurfaced or adapted, continuing to reach its audience. Allegations of infiltration, the emergence of purported factions, and competing voices claiming authority have created confusion and counter-narratives. Supporters view many of these developments as deliberate attempts to sow discord rather than genuine internal divisions. Nevertheless, the movement has maintained a level of cohesion and operational persistence. Analysts note that decentralized networks historically prove more adaptable than highly centralized ones when leadership or communication channels come under threat. Ipob appears to embody elements of this resilience, continuing to function even amid external pressure and competing claims of representation. From its formation to the present, Ipob's story highlights a broader principle. Movements built on shared belief and flexible coordination are difficult to suppress through conventional means alone. They adapt, reorganize, and endure, sometimes visibly, sometimes quietly, refusing to disappear despite sustained efforts to contain them. The movement remains a significant part of Nigeria's national conversation, not because it has escaped confrontation, but because it has survived it.